Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do my, well, I don't know how to do them yet, but let's just hope by the end of this video I do, because I've never used these kind before. This is how they look. So again, I don't know what I'm doing. I usually do my lashes, but I do like the mink ones, but it's kind of like the same method, so we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, also be sure to subscribe to my channel, and before you leave, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Now let's get into this video because I gotta go. I heard that it takes a couple minutes to do, so I'm literally about to head out now. I have to leave in like 15 minutes, so we're gonna see how long it really takes. We're gonna see if the TikTok girls are having it up right. So I'm gonna read the back because I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Again, I have no clue. You know when you watching the videos, you think you know what you're doing? That's what's going on right here. It says brush on bond, place wisp underneath, and lock in with seal, and reinforce with overnighter. Just think this put a little paper tape on it. Can't be too bad, right? I'm gonna zoom y'all in and we're gonna get straight into it because like I said, I got to go. I got the full pack, if that's what you want to call it, but it comes with the seal, well, the bond, seal. This is the remover. Is this the remover? Yeah, this is the remover, and this is the overnighter to make it last longer, and then it came with the little tweezers. I thought it would have came with more lashes, but I guess we're gonna go for a natural look tonight because I honestly don't have a choice. They have two shorts, one medium and one long, so I'm gonna do like a cat eye, like a short, medium, long type of look. Like one side is the bond and one side is the seal. Also, I got y'all all in my grill. What's popping? We're gonna apply our bond. I hope I'm doing this right. I really do. And I already naturally have long lashes, so this is gonna be interesting. I hope it doesn't dry too fast. Y'all see my natural lashes thanks to my pops. So I'm gonna use a long I don't know, y'all. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now. Another long one. Oh, yeah, this is kind of tricky, no cap. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. So now we're gonna do the medium. I think I might have to apply some more glue to my lashes. And then we're gonna do a small. I think I did pretty good now. Okay. Y'all see the before and after. Now we're gonna lock in with the seal. Put on your lash line like you did the other one. I need all my time, baby. Give me the overnighter. So this is the overnighter. Not on the band, but like on a little bit above the band. So I'm gonna put mine right there. Y'all see the before and after? So now I'm gonna do my other eye. I am back. I just finished my lashes, and these are a close-up of how they look. I think they turned out so pretty for me since it's my first time doing them. It took me about, I want to say maybe like 10 minutes, really no longer than 15 minutes. But mind you, this is my first time, so I had to really take my time. But the other eye, I went through like quick, like literally like 2-3 minutes. So if you are looking for something that's quick, you need to get these. Now I don't know how long they last because I've never got them before. So yeah, I'm gonna put them to the test tonight and tomorrow and just the next day to see how long they hold up. The box says it can hold up to 10 days. I'm a heavy sleeper, so we just gonna see we just gonna see how long that hold up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 10K, so I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join the family. So with that being said, I will see you in my next video. Bye.